Hello everyone, you're watching Englango and this is your instructor Hamid Talash Ibrahimi with one of the most interesting and pivotal topic today. Dear all, the topic that I am going to talk upon today is best apps for learning English and improving your English. Dear all, you must not forget that the apps that I'm going to share with you will help you to learn and improve your English. Now, the apps that I brought, there are a lot of apps, but I have chosen 4 the best among them. The first and foremost one is Talk English. The second one is Hello English. The third one is DUOLINGO. The fourth one is BBC Learning English. Dear all, don't forget that these apps will help you to improve your English language and the sub and major skills of learning a language. Dear all, the first app is Talk English. In Talk English, you can improve your speaking flow, you can improve your conversation flow, and don't forget that it is very good for beginners. The ones who are beginners, this app is helping them a lot. Besides that, it is giving you an edge to practice English with native speakers. That's how you will have a partner and you will learn there. So don't forget to install this app and learn from it. Begin your learning today. The next one that I'm going to talk about is Hello English. Don't forget that this is also one of the interesting app, which is going to help you out to learn and improve your English. Now, it is also for beginners and intermediate students, where you can have live session with native speakers. You will have partners to practice English with. You will learn vocabulary from here. You will improve your listening skills from here. You can improve your speaking skill from here. So don't forget to be a part of Hello English and learn from it. Dear all, the third one, which is very interesting and important app that I really admire it, that is englango. Dear all, englango is my YouTube channel. Don't forget to learn from englango. Englango is going to teach you DUOLINGO. DUOLINGO is one of the interesting and amazing app because DUOLINGO is helping you to learn the 4 major and sub skills of English. Now, 4 majors are listening, reading, which are called receptive skills, speaking, and writing, which are called descriptive skills. You can improve it from DUOLINGO through englango. And besides that, dear all, you can learn the sub skills of English from here too, which is called vocabulary and grammar. So don't forget to be a part of DUOLINGO app. Go to that community and learn from under the supervision of native speakers and learn the real flow of conversation and the appropriate usage of vocabulary and many more things from there. The last one, not the least one, is about BBC Learning app. Now, BBC Learning English app is going to help you to improve your English. This is an app which is going to improve your vocabulary, conversation, practice. Besides that, controversial topics, how are you going to communicate? And the most pivotal one and the most vital topic that is BBC Learning English is going to help you to learn, that is newspaper. You are expected to know from the BBC Learning English about newspaper, that how to read newspaper and how to take out vocabulary from there, how to use the vocabulary in your daily life. And BBC Learning English app is also helping you with tutorials. They are also giving 2-3 minutes tutorial on each topic every day. So be a part of any community, any app, learn from them, and don't forget to be a part of learning on my YouTube channel. I will bring amazing topics more to you. Have a great time for now. Stay blessed, stay happy.